Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to export video to YouTube using your Insta360 Studio application for PC. So begin by creating a new project. So let's go into the project tab, and for a YouTube video, you'd either want to select a 16:9 ratio or a 2:1 ratio for panoramic video. So let's start with the flat version. So let's go ahead with 16:9. Let's call this project flat and click confirm. Let's add some footage and let's put it on a timeline. And now let's select some small part of the video because I don't want the export to be too long. And right now you can select a part of the video you want to be in your YouTube video. So look in some direction. You can also use a direction lock feature so that it keeps looking at the same spot all the time. And before you export a video for YouTube, I also strongly recommend you using a FlowState stabilization feature and also a color plus feature for enhancing the view, for enhancing the colors and the overall quality of the video. And now let's go to the export settings. Here you'll have to select a resolution for your video. So if you want the best quality, of course, go ahead with the 4K version, which is this option. This is for 2K and this is for full HD video. So for example, if you want say 4K footage, let's go ahead with this option. Frame rate can stay the same. Now the bitrate for a 4K video would be around 65 to 80 megabits per second. So maybe let's go ahead with 70. Now encoding format could be either H.264 or H.265, but I recommend that you use this option because it's more universal, more recognizable. Although H.265 has a better compression quality, but this is just safer to use. You can also use remove grain effect to make your video look smoother. And once you're ready to export, just click this button right here. And then let's wait for our video to be exported. It might take some time in my case. Now let's go ahead and look at the result. The video is right here. And so this is how it looks like. And it's pretty good for a YouTube video. It's 4K video. It looks smooth, looks clear. Overall, it looks good for me. So now let's see how to export a panoramic video. Let's create a new project. Let's call it panoramic. And here select the 2:1 ratio. Everything else can stay the same. Let's add some footage again. Drop it on a timeline. This time we don't have to select the direction for our videos. This is the panoramic video. And let's go into the image quality. Let's again make sure that FlowState stabilization is enabled. Color plus 2 for the better quality. And once you go into the export section, here you'll have to select the YouTube panoramic preset, which is quite convenient. So you already got the resolutions for the video. The frame rates can stay the same as usual, and the bitrate for our video, for a panoramic video, would be around 125, which is the best option. Now encoding format, just as before, I recommend you using H.264 and remove grain if you want. And everything looks good for me. And so let's export our video and see how it goes. Now once the video is exported, let's go ahead and take a look at it again. And this is this one, I think. And this is the panoramic video that we got. Everything looks good for me, and right now you can upload both or any of these videos onto your YouTube channel. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please let us know in the comments, leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.